Hi loves, Andrea here. I desperately need to clean up my room after a really long and busy weekend. But first things first, I love a good oil diffusing while I'm cleaning my room, and I'm super excited to try this new one I just got by BZSeed. I just got it off Amazon, and this is like the light wood color. They also have like a dark wood color, and it's a pretty large one. It holds 550 milliliters, and it's for like large bedrooms or living rooms. And I think it looks really pretty. It's plastic, but the wood still gives it like a classy touch. In it comes the little like cup thing, so that way you can fill it up with water, and the power adapter. Super excited to replace this tiny little diffuser I had with this brand new one. And since I'm up here, might as well clean it. On the inside, there is a little spot that tells you what the maximum fill is, and it took about 2.5 of those little cups of water to fill it. Because I am going to need some good motivation and energy to get this room clean, I am going to be diffusing peppermint today, and I always like to add a little bit of something with my peppermint just to soften the peppermint a little bit, so I'm doing orange today. There are so many different color options on this diffuser. You just press the light button to turn it on, and then you press it again and again to go through the 7 different options, and they all are at like different levels of brightness. So there's definitely something that will match like any room in your house. All right, then the mist button will turn it on. It'll choose the time needed, and it can also change the intensity. I'm super happy with this diffuser. I think it looks good. It works perfectly. I'll go ahead and link it below with a discount code. So if you're looking for a new one, I think this one is great. But now it is time to get to cleaning up this mess. right, that took all day and the diffuser is still going strong. It really worked good. I do recommend it. Again, it's linked below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.